Listen up, you lot. Are you tired of feeling like a deflated soufflé by mid-afternoon? Do you find yourself raiding the biscuit tin like a starving badger, only to end up feeling worse? It's a bloody disgrace, this snacking catastrophe. Most snacks are a load of rubbish, all sugar and no substance. They send your energy levels on a roller coaster ride straight to hell. But fear not, you won't be chained to that pathetic vending machine for much longer. I'm here to arm you with the knowledge to conquer your cravings and stay energized like a Michelin star kitchen on a Saturday night. We're talking about snacks with staying power, the kind that'll keep you going strong, not leaving you sluggish and reaching for more sugary nonsense. Get ready to ditch those pathetic excuses for snacks and discover the ingredients that'll fuel your body and leave you feeling like a culinary champion. Right, let's talk almonds. Don't give me that blank stare. You wouldn't believe the number of donkeys I've met who think a bag of crisps is a decent snack. Almonds, on the other hand, they're a different breed altogether. They're packed with protein, the building blocks of a well-oiled machine, and fiber, which keeps things moving, if you catch my drift. Each tiny almond is like a little powerhouse of energy, ready to fuel your day. And don't even get me started on the flavor. We're not talking about those bland, tasteless things your granny offers with a cuppa. A good almond has a satisfying crunch and a subtly sweet, nutty flavor that'll have you coming back for more. But here's the kicker, and listen carefully because this is crucial. Almonds actually help curb your hunger. That's right, they keep those cravings at bay. So you're not tempted to reach for the first sugary monstrosity that crosses your path. So next time you feel a rumble in your stomach, ditch the processed junk and grab a handful of almonds. Now, let's talk about Greek yogurt. This isn't some flimsy, sugary dessert. No, this is serious stuff. We're talking about thick, creamy, protein-packed goodness that'll make those cravings cry for their mummy. Greek yogurt is like the Spartan of the snack world, lean, mean, and ready to conquer your hunger. Each spoonful is like a protein punch to those pesky hunger pangs. And the best part is, it's so versatile. You can have it plain if you're a purist, or you can jazz it up with some fresh fruit, a drizzle of honey, or a sprinkle of granola. But here's a tip from a seasoned chef. Avoid those pre-flavored monstrosities at all costs. They're often loaded with sugar and artificial ingredients that'll send your taste buds running for cover. Greek yogurt is the real deal. A delicious, protein-packed powerhouse that'll keep you feeling full and satisfied for hours. Listen up, you lot. We're moving on to a classic, a staple, a bloody legend in the world of snacking, the humble apple. Don't roll your eyes at me. This isn't your nan's afternoon tea. This is serious business. An apple is nature's fast food, packed with fiber to keep those bowels moving like a well-managed kitchen. Forget those sugary processed imposters that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. An apple is a breath of fresh air, crisp, juicy, and bursting with natural sweetness. But here's the real kicker. Apples are full of natural energy. That's right, forget those energy drinks and sugary concoctions that send you crashing harder than a soufflé in a hurricane. An apple provides a slow and steady release of energy, keeping you going strong all day long. Chapter 4. Whole grain crackers. Ditch the white flags, grab some fiber. Now let's talk crackers. I'm not talking about those bland, flavorless white flags of surrender you find in most pantries. We're talking about real crackers, the kind with texture, flavor, and enough fiber to keep things moving smoother than a well-oiled service. Whole grain crackers, my friends, are the backbone of a good snack. They're not just some flimsy vehicle for cheese and dips. No, they stand on their own 2 feet. Each bite should offer a satisfying crunch, a nutty aroma, and a depth of flavor that those processed imposters can only dream of. And the best part is, they're packed with complex carbohydrates, the kind that provide sustained energy, not a quick sugar rush followed by a brutal crash. But here's the secret. Pairing is key. Don't you dare insult these crackers with some processed cheese spread. We're talking hummus, avocado, a dollop of Greek yogurt, or a slice of smoked salmon. Chapter 5. Hummus. This ain't no starter, it's a snack superstar. Listen up, because this is important. We're moving on to a dish that's often relegated to the sidelines. treated like a mere starter or a sad dip for crudities. But I'm here to tell you, hummus deserves more respect. This chickpea champion is a snack superstar in its own right, packed with protein, fiber, and enough flavor to make your taste buds tango. We're not talking about those bland, mass-produced tubs you find languishing on supermarket shelves. No, we're talking about fresh, vibrant hummus, bursting with flavor and texture. The kind that's made with love, care, and a generous hand with the tahini. And the beauty of hummus is its versatility. Spread it on whole grain toast, use it as a dip for fresh veggies, or stuff it into bell peppers for a satisfying and portable snack. The possibilities are endless. But here's the secret. Don't be afraid to experiment. Hummus is your blank canvas, so get creative and make it your own. Chapter 6. Cottage cheese, curds of glory, not boredom. Alright, you lot, listen up. We're tackling a controversial character in the snack world, cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is the unsung hero of the dairy aisle, packed with protein, low in fat and versatile. Choose high-quality brands without added sugars. Enjoy it plain with fruit or as a savory dip. Embrace the curds of glory. Right, you lot, gather round. We're about to venture into the exciting world of edamame, those vibrant green soybeans that are about to rock your snacking world. Don't give me that blank stare. You've probably encountered these little green gems at a sushi restaurant. But edamame is more than just a side dish. It's a snacking powerhouse. These little pods are like treasure chests, bursting with protein and fiber. Each satisfying pop releases a burst of flavor and nutrients that'll leave you feeling energized and satisfied. Forget those greasy, processed snacks that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. Edamame is the clean, green snacking machine you've been waiting for. And the best part is, they're incredibly easy to prepare. Simply boil or steam them for a few minutes, sprinkle with a touch of sea salt, and you're good to go. You can even find them pre-shelled for ultimate convenience. Edamame is your oyster, so get creative and make it your own. Listen up, you lot. We're about to embark on a flavor adventure with trail mix. Not those pre-packaged bags filled with sugary candy. A bespoke blend of nature's finest almonds, walnuts, and pecans. Sweet cranberries, blueberries, and apricots. And a sprinkle of dark chocolate chips. Creating the perfect trail mix is an art form. Consider the flavors, textures, and balance. Ditch pre-packaged imposters and create your own. Right, you lot. Listen up. We're about to crack the code to a snack that's as simple as it is brilliant. The humble, hard-boiled egg. Don't you dare roll your eyes at me. This isn't your grandma's picnic basket filler. This is a protein powerhouse that'll send those cravings running for cover. Each egg is like a little protein bomb, packed with essential amino acids that your body craves. Forget those sugary snacks that leave you feeling sluggish and bloated. A hard-boiled egg will keep you feeling full and energized for hours, powering you through even the toughest of days. And the best part is, they're incredibly versatile. Enjoy them on their own with a sprinkle of salt and pepper, slice them up and add them to salads, or mash them up with avocado for a quick and easy protein boost. The possibilities are endless. So ditch those processed protein bars and embrace the simplicity of a hard-boiled egg. It's a quick, easy, and incredibly nutritious snack that'll keep you feeling satisfied and energized all day long. All right, you lot, gather round for the grand finale. We're talking about a culinary rockstar avocado toast. Avocado toast, just a millennial fad? Think again. Creamy avocado on whole grain toast, delicious and nutritious, packed with healthy fats, fiber, and vitamins. Get creative with toppings, chili flakes, honey, or a poached egg. There you have it, you lot. A culinary arsenal of snacks that'll blow those pathetic crisps and chocolate bars out of the water. Remember, snacking doesn't have to be a guilty pleasure, a descent into sugary chaos. It's about fueling your body with the good stuff, the kind of ingredients that'll make you feel like a culinary champion. So ditch those excuses, those pathetic cries of "I don't have time" or "it's too difficult." I've given you the knowledge. Now it's time to put it into practice. Get in the kitchen, experiment, and discover the world of delicious and nutritious snacks that are just waiting to be devoured. And remember, if your taste buds aren't dancing, if your stomach isn't singing your praises, then you're doing it bloody wrong. Now go forth and snack like you mean it.